Welcome back to Famigo Dashcam, where every dashcam moment keeps your eyes wide open. Stay sharp, hit subscribe, and let's dive in.
Oh no, SUV ran the red, Volkswagen ignored the turn arrow, double trouble. And only Volkswagen finished with that classic, I've crashed, wiper move. The Opel Astra kicked off this whole mess, but the 4WD Ute driver really should have spotted the Astra crashing into their lane. Not blaming the 4WD Ute, but a bit more attention goes a long way. Whoa, where did that wheel fly off to? It shot away like a rogue frisbee. Next time, double check your lug nuts or you'll be chasing runaway parts.
Oh God.
The Hyundai Getz just had to make sure the wipers still work, just in case it rains after a crash. All jokes aside, always drive carefully and keep your attention on the road.
Oh God!
What a brutal scene. Two SUVs collide head-on right on Kennett Pike, sending everything into chaos. One person in critical condition, 3 more injured, but amazingly, everyone survived. That's one crash no one will forget. Happy to see this guy walked away unharmed. His quick thinking didn't just protect himself, maybe even kept that truck safe too. Whoa, that was a close call. The black car came out of nowhere and flipped over after crashing into another vehicle. It's a stark reminder of how quickly things can go wrong on the road. Oh wow, looks like deja vu for that tree. It's been struck again. Poor thing can't catch a break. Remember, fixed objects don't dodge cars. Drive carefully and give yourself room. Talk about a terrifying moment. A woman in a black BMW wearing scrubs passed out at the wheel, crashed, and broke her ankle. If you ever feel faint behind the wheel, pull over immediately and get help.
شادي ميجر 11 وفاكن شبرد هسه صار 3 سيارات 11 وشبرد 11 وشبرد محل ما بنوقف هاي
That Saya semi-double tipped over like a skyscraper. Impressive crash, but luckily no serious injuries. Stay clear of big rigs' blind spots and give them extra room. Oh wow, the front car just could not resist hitting the brakes hard on the probationary driver again and again. Sure, the probationary driver was a bit too close, but come on, brake checking like that is asking for trouble. Looks like everyone suddenly turned into invisible spectators. You'd think after watching 100 dashcam clips, someone would step up. But nope, just cameras rolling and zero action. Wow. So lucky not to smash into that rock wall hidden in the tall grass. Hopefully the underbody didn't take too much damage, but looks like you did your best to save it. The Tesla really took that impact pretty well, all things considered. Hope everyone involved is okay. That's what really matters. The irony here? If they had just waited, both lanes behind the bus were clear. But nope. Maybe they're from Ellenbrook, where waiting for anyone is just not part of the plan. Wows all around here. How bloody quick he was going through that roundabout. And that little hatchback, barely a scratch, but managed to roll the SUV. Talk about irony. The person hit first helped while the untouched cars sat idle and didn't call 911. Next time, step up and make the call. Oh no, what a brutal crash inside Xiamen-Haikang Tunnel in China. Multiple vehicles piled up, but everyone walked away without life-threatening injuries. Remember to slow down and keep your distance in tunnels.
你命大啊，兄弟啊，这个危险啊！没信号都没信号啊！
Oh man, over the radio the dispatcher checks in. Driver, you're still delivering that load on time, right? Two cars smashed together and the silver one ended up sideways. Bet the owner wasn't expecting that kind of parking job. Hamilton, New Zealand. Everyone survived, though a child in the back was hurt but should recover. Teen driver, no license, no rego. This is a reminder to always drive legally and safely. Crash happened east of Chicago? That'll wake you up faster than coffee. Oh wow, the silver car pops into view and flips over in an instant. Scan every inch of the road and be ready to react fast. Question is, where did that blue car come from? It's nowhere in the dashcam view. Or maybe it was just racing to beat the turning car. Sped up and bam, total chaos. Sir, you can't park there. And seriously, where did that car just come flying from? That was one heck of a greeting. Two cars met at the intersection, crashed, and just drove on as if saying hello. Remember to slow down and always watch every direction before moving on.
Oh my gosh!
Wow. This person in the white Suburban had the green light, and this old lady turned right in front of him.
And now they're wanting to come back into these lives because of her kids. And guys, I understand that grandparents would love to get to know their grandkids, but a lot.
Oh man, a multi-vehicle pileup on LA streets ended with an Audi smashing into the back of an SUV. That's what happens when you tailgate at speed. Keep your distance and brake early. They say bad drivers who miss exits love to blame the road, until they end up doing U-turns in the breakdown lane. Keep your eyes on the signs and stay in your lane. Talk about a tough spot. You couldn't pull over safely, but other drivers jumped in to help. If you can't stop safely, call for backup before risking yourself. Talk about asking for trouble. That driver wouldn't wait, and both cars ended up flipping over. Patience on the road saves lives, so don't rush. Looks like that camouflage truck decided to park right there. Bold move, but definitely a bad one. Parking like that just causes chaos and puts everyone at risk.
August 13th or 14th.
Yo! Holy fucking shit!
No, talk about going full rogue. She jumped out, dropped her pants, and gave the ultimate middle finger gesture. Clearly she wanted to shock and shame the other driver. Now that's a true Honda bump. Nothing too fancy, just enough to make you clench your teeth. Wow, both cars are totaled, but amazingly everyone walked away without a scratch. Guess sometimes the best outcome is just getting home safe. Oh man, on E. Grant RD and N First Ave in Tucson, a car suddenly slammed into an SUV at the intersection. Total shock. Thankfully, no serious injuries. Always scan every angle before moving through busy crossings.
Holy shit!
Stopping to help and handing over dashcam footage to police showed real compassion. The world needs more of that. What do you think? $30. Bet you didn't expect Spanish on a Texas dashcam. And it's a civilian cam, not police. Roads can surprise you, so stay alert. Oh look, it's the classic payback for my own stupidity. Happens to the best of us. Just hope you learn before it's too late. Oh, come on. No traffic lights and you still cut across his path. You were required to give way. Remember, when turning, always yield to oncoming traffic. That's one expensive wreck. Airbag replacements cost more than the car's worth. Always drive carefully or you'll be footing a huge bill. Whoa, that white ute ran the red light, smashed into the signals and knocked them all out. Bang, bang everywhere, but thankfully no one was hurt. Obey the lights or pay the price. Talk about bad timing. That impatient driver caused a pileup just moments before the overtaking lane opened. Remember, patience on the road saves everyone. Whoa, the silver car had a machete and the dashcam driver was trying to defuse the situation? That's intense. Some drivers take road rage way too far. Stay calm and avoid escalation.
Your call is being...
$59. People are braking, sun's in their eyes. Maybe it's time to slow down a bit. Better safe than sorry out there. Yeah, anyone saying the dark-colored driver could have avoided this with just 2 seconds to react must have superpowers. As for the Audi driver, they definitely should lose their license for that reckless move. My God, that damaged hood tells the whole story. Either a stolen ride or one seriously terrible driver behind the wheel. Looks like the white ute causing this slammed the brakes hard. Sudden stops like that can lead to crashes. Looks like a left front tire blew out, and then a panic overcorrection that made things worse. If your tire blows out, don't do what this person did. Instead, slowly ease off the gas, keep a firm grip on the wheel, and coast safely. Slamming the brakes? That's just asking for trouble. So, where were the Fitch safety barriers or barrels? Looks like he went straight into the bare guardrail. Definitely not the softest welcome. Well, when a cruiser and a Hilux meet at an intersection, sparks are guaranteed. Luckily, just the airbags this time. That bull bar? About as tough as a wet noodle. Maybe it's time to stop cutting corners and get a proper ARB one. So 3 cars totaled or badly damaged, all because one driver just couldn't wait their turn. Hey, you can't park there. Looks like you just graduated from the high-risk driving academy. Nice job with that quick move. The good news? The other driver walked away completely fine. Sometimes metal gets bent, but people stay safe. That's what matters most. Did that SUV just leave? Maybe running from the police never ends well. Drive safe, don't risk it.
Thank you for watching Famigo Dashcam, where every heart-stopping moment reminds us to stay focused behind the wheel. Drive safe, subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video to spread the message.